everyone, it's Lindsay, and I am here to give you a My Heart of Thanksgiving demo. We are in week 2, and I'm going to show you how to make the most of your pages. I am going to start with a word of prayer, and then I will get going with my demo. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day, and thank you for everyone who can join us during this video or even after the video to watch it after. And I pray that you bless us and that you help us to give us glory, give you glory, all the glory, and we are doing this all for you, God. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. So, I am doing a demo on how to make the most of your pages, and I'm using paper from the My Heart of Thanksgiving kit, and I'm also going to use some journaling tags, the giant journaling tags, but this is my cover. I put the little door on the front for week 2. And I redid my book. I'm going to do a whole flip through of my book later when I have it all set because my printer messed up and then I had to make individual inserts. So, it's nice because I can take things out and put things in. So, and that's why I like that. This is a page that I did. And I'm not going to show you how to do this one because this one, all you do is you put a page down and you only glue it or tape it. I taped this. I believe I taped this one. Yes, I did. Because I'll show you. I don't know if I can show you too much on camera, but this is the tape. And then I glued this one for my, and you can see all the wrinkles. I mean, I like the wrinkles, but sometimes I don't want wrinkles. So that's why I taped this one. I used my tape glider. You can use any tape, double-sided tape. This one, all you do is you tape or glue 3 sides, and it gives you a pocket underneath. And I put my little book there so I could show you. This one, I'm going to show you how to make a full pocket using the paper. So what you're going to do, I use the A5 size. I will put in the description the different sizes and how you make it to your size. But for this one, it's the A5 size. So I'm going to cut my paper down to 6.5. And the actual page itself is 5.5. The reason why I'm doing 6.5 is I'm going to score my sides at half. Because I want half an inch. And you're only going to do 3 sides. And I will show you that in a minute. Why? So there's my 3 sides. And then you want to fold these in. I like to fold these in first before I cut. Because you're going to want, you can cut off the corner or you can cut off the little square. And I think I might just cut off the little square. And of course I'm having trouble folding. There we go. Now, see, you've got this little square. There, you can kind of see it there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut that square, and I'll show you here. You can cut the corner too, but I think so I don't have to cut more than what I need to. I'm going to cut my squares. And then you fold this up, and you fold this up, and you fold this up. Now, what you can do is you can glue here, which I think I will glue there. This is if you're doing the corners, the box. I'm going to take my glue, and I'm going to glue this right here. And I meant to have a paper towel. I like to use a paper towel to get all my glue off. And you know what? I'm not going to do it that way because I don't like that. So we are going to cut like so. And I hope you can see this pretty well. You know what? I think I'm going to go cut. I'm going to go turn the light on. Hang on 1 minute. I'm not going far. I hope that helps. So I just realized it's pretty dark. I don't know if that helps or not. So we've got this. What we're going to do, and you can cut it down too. This is why you want it to be cut because you don't want this to be, I'll show you. I have a hard time. So you can either make a whole page. I'm going to take this. You can either make it a whole page or you can cut it. And I think I might cut mine because I want to show you a way. So we cut it. And I like to be on the big side. And then some people don't have a circle punch. So a way to do this is to take a tape, even a glass works, and try to get it in the middle and go like that. And then you can cut it out and you've got your, I'm not going to cut it right now for time's sake, but then all you do, you cut it there so you have your little, so you can get things to into your pocket better. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tape or glue. I'm going to tape. It's going to be a little bit easier for me. And then you can tape any double-sided tape. There's that. And then you put it down. I like to put the bottom down first, and then you put the sides down. And then you've got, and it did go over a little bit, but that's okay. And then you've got a pocket that is the whole length of your page. And then you don't have to worry about, like, you cut off like half an inch here or there. Now, so there's the one pocket. Now we're going to go to a double page spread, and I'm going to show you, sorry for my arms. I'm going to show you with giant journaling tags how to make pockets folders. So what you do is you cut at the top here. You can leave a little bit there or you don't have to. And then you're not going to cut the bottom and the sides. All you're going to do is you're going to cut the middle. And I need to make sure here. You're going to cut like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to score here and here. Now, I scored with this last time. You can also take a ruler and score like this. You can take your ruler and line it up with the edge and go like this. And I messed that up. But if I had more, I'm trying to just work like that. There we go. Now, you line this up and you can score it like this. So it's easier. Careful, because I just hurt my finger a little. And then what you do is you just go back. And actually, it'll probably be easier if you do it this way. And you can kind of, I use 20-pound paper, and you can see the line a little bit. And we're going to do it this way. And this is if you don't have a scoreboard. I know some people might not have a scoreboard, so that's an easier way to kind of score it, so it's easier to fold. Now, and then we're going to cut off the corner. I think that's what yeah. We're going to cut off the corner. And what I do is I cut right here. You can make a line if you want, but we're just going to cut and then kind of round it a little bit, just so you have it. And sometimes you do have to mess with it and cut it like that a little bit more, just so it doesn't fold with it. And there's that. And I think I will cut this little bit off of the top, and we'll go like this. And there we go. And then you can cut your corners. I guess I won't be using that. Cut off your corners to make it a tag. And then all you do to make it a folder is, make sure my pages are good, is you glue or tape this and this. And it's the same concept of the other. I think I'm going to glue this time just because I want to get one more in. I don't want to make this video too long. So you glue, and you can rub your glue. We're crafters, we can be messy, right? We're supposed to get messy. And then we have a giant journaling tag folder pocket, and then you can put things in there that you want to keep in there. Another neat one is to take an ephemera piece and you can put it in the middle. You can just glue in the middle, and then you can stick things under it, or you can glue it on the side. And if you glue it on the side, you can just glue two sides, and then you just put it here. And actually, I think I have one for this. This is my week 1. And let's see if I have one. Nope, I don't think I have one in here. I thought I did. Oh. But then you just glue it there, and you've got a little pocket here too, like a folder. Yeah. So that is how you make. Oh, I did it here. Here, I knew I had it somewhere. I put this little stove here, and I love this stove, by the way. I would love to have this stove. It's nice. I love vintage, but you've got a little tuck spot, and you can tuck it here, and you can tuck little pieces too. You can tuck this little house, and then you have a spot for all your journaling. Before I go, I wanted to show you, this is the prize that you get for this video, and I made it here. I love these windows. These windows are so cute, and the door. And all you do is you cut it out. This is it cut out. You fold these in, and you want to fold the bottom in first, and then these, and then you glue here. And I'll do this real quick. Glue. And then you want to glue a little bit here too. I don't even know if I got glue on that, but no. Sometimes this glue bottle is. You put a little glue there, and then you can put a piece of washi tape. There's a washi tape in the kit that you can print out and put there. Or what you can do is you can leave it as a house like this, and you can even take the roof off, and then it can be a little pocket on your page. And isn't that cute? Right there. So I just want to remind you that Melissa has a live on Saturday morning, and I will have that in my Instagram. And I hope you liked everything. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you later.